Go.
New day, new life, new blood, new happiness. New haircut pa man, new haircut. New happiness, all this. Charan! Homeless class. Guys, these are the big three, Yumi, Gray, Black, and White. So, mag-ina ni sila, ang anak ni Yumi, si Black and White, at saka si Gray. So, Black and White is antayin niya siya. Hindi siya magpahawak o lain. Only me could touch hair. Kasi babae ito, ligated na ito. Yumi, ligated. Gray, hapon na ito. Then the father, the big four, father, look at panda is there. So, yan guys. So, I'm done feeding Mata. So, lumabas ako guys kasi nga pinuntan ko muna si Mata kasi nakasakay ako sa sakyanan sa akong kauban niya teacher. Then, nadiretso namin sa school. So, that is why wala akong nakababa dito sa may Palawan yan near Stacy doon sa 7-Eleven. So, that is why nadiretso ko, nagbayad ko. Then, after na, nigawas ako. Balik para mapakaon din ako si Mata for today. Kaya din ako makagawas. Kapoy na kainit na kain. So, yun, pinuntahan ko si Mata. Watch the video of Mata, guys. And then, guard cat also napakain. Una ko napakain si C1, C2. And present si Blooming for today. So, yun lang, guys. So, that's my advocacy to feed the stray cats and stray dogs. Kung na po yung stray dogs, pakaon ko tagaan na lang ko na siya cat food because I don't have dog food. So yan guys, be kind always to stray cats and stray dogs. If you cannot feed them, please don't hurt them. Bye!